Yep, there's a pillow in there. And this thing is called a kick port, and what that does is it helps out smaller drums like this have more volume and a lot more rich sound.
Oh.
So between this giving out a rich sound, and you can see the pillow inside there, you get a good thud, and when the beater hits it, really get a really awesome sound and punch.
Oh, cool. Nice. That's nice.
This is the snare drum. The snare drum is the backbone of just about all Western music.
Yeah.
Yes, on rock music, it hits on the 2 and 4. And in jazz music, it's more of a melodic and accenting with some of the avant-garde stuff. But for swing music and more pop-style jazz, then the snare's on 2 and 4.
Cool.
Sorry, you're filming, so I'm in like a documentary person.
Yeah. Good, yeah. You have the rest of these metal.
Yeah, this is all the hardware.
Yeah.
And I like to arrange things. You can see the order that I have everything in. This way it helps me take an inventory just before I pack everything up, so I know that everything is accounted for.
Yeah.
It's important.
It is.
Good.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
This goes in.
All right, I need my eyes for home. This thing's a little tricky to get collapsed. Come on, doggy. Got to get some WD-40 on this thing.
Yeah.
That'll help it collapse a little quicker. Anyway. All right. So everything is all accounted for there. And now, this monster gets to swallow all of this. First thing that we put in, well,
Yeah.
we want to get the shoulder strap out of the way so we have an unobstructed opening. And the first thing that we do is we put in the feet. I make sure that the feet are where the wheels are, because the heaviest part of the bag will be down here. And this way, it'll roll easily. So, doing that like that.
Yeah, I was going to ask you if you want me to carry this.
So everything that has a base goes in first.
I'll be back in a minute, guys. To help.
Okay. Yeah? Oh. Yeah?